She's gonna read with you, okay? You can stand up.
You can do whatever. Yeah, you can stand up.
I'll sit and you can stand up.
Yeah.
Oh, do I have to say my name again and do it?
That's fine. I don't know who you are.
Okay. Well, hi, I'm Justly Alexis. Okay. It was the right verdict, given the evidence that the prosecution put forth. There also is another very unsettling thing that happened that further confirms me the rightness of the verdict.
We're talking about a mother who says she discovered her child dead after she drowned in the pool, but does not dial 911. Instead, she duct taped the little girl's mouth and nose and hides her body in the trunk of her car for days before dumping her in the plastic bag in the woods. That doesn't leave an impression on you?
There's a difference between believing someone might have had something to do with the child's death and actually having killed that child.
But what is the need of hiding the body if it was just an accident?
Again, speculating. There's a difference between believing someone might have had something to do with the child's death and actually having killed the child.
She deserved the electrical chair for killing that little girl. And you will sit there and defend Casey Anthony?
The prosecution didn't prove the case. The prosecutors went all out to have her executed with no proof of first-degree murder.
So they overcharged.
Perhaps there could have been a manslaughter conviction. Everybody wanted blood. Isn't that right, Lucy?
When a child dies, we want an explanation and someone has to be punished. We are not talking about an animal here. We're talking about a child. Jules, what's your take on the verdict? I think that Casey Anthony is an example of the age-old adage that is better for 10 guilty to be free than for one innocent to be wrongly convicted.
Finally, someone who is not biased.
There may have been a much more serious obstruction of justice on the part of prosecutors. So now the professor is on trial now?
The prosecutor lied, and that goes to the heart of the system, Lucy.
I have an issue with the kind of subjective analysis, Melissa. Claiming the prosecution lied about the web searches and this making the whole system is corrupt. Even when individuals act badly, you can't say an organization as a whole is corrupt.
The prosecutors lied in court, and the state bars refused to discipline or disbar them for such acts, and that declares that the entire system is a lie. And a system which is lying by authorities is not a justice system, but rather an injustice system. When a guilty person goes free because of doubt, the system has worked. When an innocent person is convicted in a doubtful case, the system has failed.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Okay. Great, thank you.
So let me ask you. Let me see the paper. You live in
Palm Beach.
in Palm Beach?
Yeah.
I do too.
Oh, do you? Oh, Wellington. Which part?
So
You live in Wellington?
Yeah.
My aunt lives in Wellington.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, sorry.
Because I was gonna ask you, how do you feel about it? Because we'll be filming in Palm Beach.
Oh, really?
Actually,
Yeah.
So
Hey.
yeah, I
We'll
think,
see.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay,
yeah.
so.
So you will hear from us. So
Okay, cool.
Thanks for coming.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
No problem. Do I have to do anything outside, like sign out or
No.
anything?
That's fine.
No.
Okay, perfect. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Drive safe.
Thank you.